Can your eyes actually pop out if you sneeze too hard? It might look possible, but the answer is no. When you sneeze, pressure briefly builds up inside your head. Your eyes may move slightly, but they're held firmly in place by strong muscles, connective tissues, and the bones of your eye socket. Your eyelids also close automatically to help protect your eyes. Unless there's a severe injury or a rare medical condition, a normal sneeze isn't powerful enough to make your eyeballs pop out. Your sneeze might be explosive, but your eyes are built to stay exactly where they belong.